Alright, I figured it out. I'm back. I'm sorry about that. I left these pieces at 11 inches. I didn't cut them down to size, but in your kits, if you buy the kit, it's going to be at 11 inches. This way you just need to trim it down to 8.5. Sorry about that. But it's 3.5 inches this way and 8.5 inches this way, and you're going to score it at 4 and at 8 inch for each one of these, and that's going to form the pockets. Alright. Oh, sorry, I hit the camera. Let me see if that's good. I'm sorry about that. I hit the camera. Alright. So now we have these. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold this side up to the score line. Just like this. And this piece goes the opposite direction, like this. Because this part is what you're going to glue to the folio. So now, on mine, I have openings on my pockets. I have 3 on this side, and the other 3 I have on this side. So you could do it all the same way, or do half and half like I did. So now, once you decide what side you want the opening of your pocket, then you can add some glue to one side. A small bead. I wouldn't suggest to use any tape, because your photo mat will get stuck. So once you, let's see, look at that side. Alright, so once you make your pockets, you're gonna place them down in the middle, right on top of the other craft paper, not to the edge. And you're going to do 3 on each side. Now when you lay down your second one, you're not going to go, I don't know if you can see, but you're not going to bud this one up right to there. You won't have enough room for all your pockets. So you're going to go up to maybe halfway of your first pocket, just to make sure you have enough room to lie all of them down both ways. Otherwise, the 12 pockets aren't going to fit. Make sure it's even with the other one. And then put one more on that side. Same thing, halfway up on the one that you just laid down before. Make sure it's even. looking. Alright, now you're going to turn it around and add the other 3 pockets, but before you do that, we need to add this little flap first. Now I do have magnets on those, but again, if you're going to carry it in your pocketbook, I wouldn't suggest to use magnets. So you're going to get your scoreboard out again, and you're going to score it on the short end a 1/2 inch. While I have this out, I'm going to do my other one too. So, fold that 1/2 inch, put some glue. You can round off the corners on these flaps if you like, but I chose not to. So right in the middle, just like that. Alright, so now we can add the others. Your glue to one side, make sure you're leaving one edge open. Put it right on top, not all the way up to the edge on this one because you want your flap. Make sure you leave enough room so this can fold over. Okay, so that's one. I don't know where anybody lives, but if you're up in Massachusetts area, I feel for you. I moved from there last year, and I am so happy I'm not dealing with that stuff anymore, with that weather. We had one big storm here in North Carolina, but that was snow melted in a few days up there, and it hangs around. Right, one more on this side. Alright, so then you would fold this side down first, then this side, and this is where your magnet would go if you're going to use a magnet. Otherwise, you can wait to the end and put Velcro. For right now, I'm not going to do that. Now, I'm going to work on this side. The only thing I will not be doing on this video is putting the decorative papers on, because you all know how to do that. I'm just going to show you the basic setup for making this, and then you can go ahead and do your decorative pages yourself, because I'm sure you all know how to do that. I'm just doing the basics for this video because it's too time consuming. especially for this, because there's 12 pockets, so that's 24 sides, and it just takes up too much time on the... And actually, you know what, I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put it on this side because I want my flaps to be on opposite sides. You don't have to do that, but I just choose to do that. I think this is a very cute and easy idea. It's not too much work. The hardest part is cutting everything, but like I said, if you buy my kit, everything's cut for you. You just gotta put it together, and if you choose to buy one this week, you get a extra little package in there with some embellishments. I'm hoping that's in frame. Sorry. I'm trying this overhead camera setup, and I don't have the exact right tripod for it, and I'm trying other ideas. I bought the arm, not realizing this arm is really heavy, and if you don't have something strong to hook it to, it's gonna topple over, and I'm trying to figure out other ways to do it. And I can't attach it actually to the table because the table wobbles, the camera wobbles, so that's not a good idea either. Alright, so now 3 more, and before you add your other set, make sure you put down your flap first. If you all have any ideas that you would like me to try to do a tutorial on, feel free to ask below, and I see, you know, what I can do. If there's some kind of technique that you want me to try to simplify or something like that, just let me know and I'll look into it and see what I can come up with. I know I've gotten a lot of comments about the way I do my tutorials, and I try to teach as I would want to be taught, and I try to explain step by step as best I can, because as I'm working on projects, I write everything down as I do things, so that when I go to do a tutorial, even when I write and create a booklet for the project, it goes according to how I created it, step by step. Because I've bought in the past some tutorials and they were so confusing. I'm like, what are they talking about? And they have pictures, but this, I don't know. So I try to make it easy so that my directions are easy to understand. Alright, so this is the last pocket. Make sure they all line up pretty good. So this would close first, and this one, then this one. Alright, so that's what it looks like, and then you would fold it over, and there you have it. So that's the basic construction, and like I said, everything comes, these are all the pages for the pockets. And then you have the photo mats. And on mine, I rounded off one of the sides, the longer side, so this sticks out. You just got to make sure you round off the right side so your pocket sticks out a little bit. Let's see. It's either this side or this side. I don't know which. But a little bit will stick out and you can round off the corners. But that's it. You would add your pockets. Put your photo mats. You don't have to put photo mats. I just cut them. I just made papers for that. But that's the basic construction. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them down below, and I'll try to answer your questions as soon as I can. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button. And like I said, you can get the PDF booklet, or you can get the whole kit on my website, which is mycardstockcreations.com, under the product button. And you can, you know, feel free to look around on my website. It's a young website. I'm trying to work on it here and there. So let me know what you think, and you have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.